Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edutafia Amiibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Imari Oka Ola Ladian Owiga Azobobuan Owopia no bia me bia na Imaseti yadi e we go ni bia no bia ne ke so Ladian Obia no bia na so Ladian Imawe no okobumi ade Omo we na fi ogun Monica to arena Ladian Monica atu arena baba akawe mi na ge pe wala woni o be se na be se boni Monica to arena buzina o be de gbe ki o kana gun ate Imari Oka Frank Owahowe why are you be Frank Umenwe Frank Victor Umenwe I said call your name for my platform. I don't curse you. Now so that curse will follow you, they go. Emma will wear. Emma will water. So, you know what can I mean? Like you, but you have my Frank Victor Umenwe Ukuregbe. Iwa bono mu ewa wear of him more water. If you do, you know what? Oh, Frank Victor Umenwe no. This course when I course for you not do all on our own. Now Victor Frank Victor Umenwe. We say call himself Umenwe. Ask you go see yourself. You feel look and say I did for child play with time reach you go know. You tell me say if I be native daughter. I not come and come cry say me woman come I be man the listening. I don't cry, go say woman may come. The woman don't born for that man. The man say wife. The man wey marry the wife say the timber a caliber. Now me tell her say girl do when me don't cost for Nigeria before. Timber day, caliber day. The wood when me don't carry reach Benin, he no go heavy me. He say me no go greet my pikin again. But before now, 1 month ago or 2 weeks ago, I don't tell you say my pikin don't they call me. December, I don't want to play the first record where the family of the man they call me. The first one when they call me, I put her for live video. My papa for us when I delete, I can't delete her. The first record where they call me, he did with me because now waiting concern, waiting they drag with me. Other body I cannot record them.
Yes, to my people, now well done, and welcome back to Edutafia Amiibo YouTube channel. And I'm story just there, just like that's more acceptable. Now don't hear just now we say Prophet Atiti the same message go give Frank Victor. You get me? Prophet Atiti just go the white forest or in go forest or you go I don't know where he say go take some leaf, some traditional leaf and everything. The particular one is saying be the fine, but it's not still that one here because now Europe. But however, I still use some replicator like some replace. Some way be say once to use you understand me still pluck some leaf come to and the waiting be the matter we be saying pluck come he say Frank Victor talk to Raminia, Frank Victor insult and Frank Victor talk to time we be saying come and Frank Victor just kind of strut or whatever, you know what I mean? Not be say when you come out when he talks about something about how you want to collect the children, how you want to see children from a ex-wife, you know what I mean? So he say Frank Victor come out and Frank Victor the kind of humiliate on live video. So when don't go pluck those leaves now, you know, say at him na prophet or whatever. So, and then you say, in the cast this spell now, or rather saying they make this course now. Not be say to insult somebody, but in the cast the spell on Frank Victor, say they will soon, say they will deport or repatriate Frank Victor. And I mean, so it just really he really talk. Like me with hear himself, I just say, wow. You get me? So he say, and at the same time, he still make sure Monica say the time we say, so kind of way say Monica offend. And I mean, because I seen they talk now, they talk to some people. I don't know whether those people are senior native daughter or maybe then they hard ranking for native daughter or whatever. And I mean, but then they talk to some people on the telephone and yeah, I seen how they live. Now make me put this picture now we be on the sea. Now see they cast the spell with that one. So and they talk to other people, which I still believe say them native daughter. He says so in first the first make cause of Monica, the way say people come they beg and say make he reverse the cause. He say the cause belong the work before, but as people don't know say they work and as they work, people come they beg and say make he reverse the cause, say that the cause they Monica. You know what I mean? He say so no. He say so people come for he come forgive Monica, he can't return back the cause. He say but right now I say Monica don't send Frank Victor come for him again, that kind of thing. I mean so and then he really talk he talk much. So we say we are not going to talk 1% out of him. So we go just listen to Atiti as they deliver this message to Frank Victor. So that's why just be my people now know waiting day now. We don't enter summer, so they don't put the summer. We don't enter summer time. I know what I mean. And that one just did my people. So and I wish everybody once again happy Sunday. Now so just be happy beginning of the week. Now so it be my people. So right now make we join Atiti as we want start to talk to Frank Victor. And so now so just be my people. Now no way for now. Now we're not for the listening to this news now. Now one and only channel will be saying. Where the people say they bring the rages, the real bonge, what do they call it? Dr. Fiame boss. Some people say they call us theater, that kind of thing. I know what in there, but make we not just talk too much. Make we join that at the right now. So one beginning to send this message to Frank Victor as soon as do me, Baba God continue to the bless now with my family. Now yemi na do well on bye.
Your parent no wokanata. Yeah, when they delete video na Frank Victor na. Okay, ka. Imeladia, we don't go go. Ina wena vivi negu me ima wigwa loko honi bielo wabene ami yo kwado mata ona jo jane da na jani jona jane gbo owo wetin e bude so Frank Victor na nia in Nigeria ko ene e woni talo ma wa be na Nigeria ko ene ni o mi Nigeria ni yo iya gbebe ima me bi no re gbe ima me bi no re gbe baba na gbebe ya tuku ma jewe ban e bi no re gbewe sisi ya kiere ni ya kiere ni ya kama ewe wana kiere kiani ogario wane o kina soro wa so aso sakere ogario wana o ga gbon o se ti ka wiwe o we not dey happen ege ni ya asunu baba wa damewa so ege ni ya asunu dai kino kere ye utukuma jewe bible no ri no gbegbe ye gbogbon re na me no ga so se iri kun ni o baba ope no ke do ope no ke wu awon me ni meje o ni me to body okwo yo wa meje ba ko ni bezo are o ni to bo ago ko gon we bu ni what is right, what is bad. Imwinani hu imaru opa ni support beni yon ise beni ase ki wese ewese oguwo ogwegbe oguwo anyana titibiti fraku menwa fraku Victor menwa oguwo ogwegbe iporu maporu sekinuye imaku egwan ukati ebo ni ma social media magwan yode esusu sisi ebaga aje wala dadoro yele ina mi to kama sorry imara ogi imari oka baba wa damewa imari ogi imari oka ola ladian owiga azo bobun owo pia no ko ogame okuno bia me bia na imase ti yari ewe gbo ko ni bia no pia we ne ke so ladian obia no pia we na so ladian imawe no okobun ade omo ewe na fi ogun Monica to arena ladian Monica atu arena baba wa akawe mi na ge no pe ana wala woni o be se na be se le boni Monica atu arena busi na o be de gbe o kana gun ade imari ogi imari oka ogbo ma gbo social media iku egun ena woni tala ma wa itala ma wa ya ne yawe binori ni ogbewe imande binori ne gbe ena gbe de lowe Yellow, you have your poor, you have your cemetery. A frack, man went up. Savito men went up. Yaka Tiapo, when I can go to the room of the man is up to me. Our mother, your mouth down. There we go. Oh, tired of walk away. We will walk away. Oh, one of you. And another door said, Baba, I will come to work. Okay, what's it, Baba? The money I finishing up when I had to go. Frank, oh, yeah, we go taloni, we bebe ya numeni. All those lies where you can't talk for social media without your sweet mouth. Not be person like me, you take and talk to, and not find your trouble for morning, and not find your trouble for evening. They let you in. People will say they let you. I know they are aware where they let you in. You say you want to disgrace me. That disgrace, I need them. You say don't tell you for don't disgrace me. Your record I not fit plan for my platform. Not be saying I go come. Me they tell you the open turn against you. The open turn against you. Now so me turn against you. Frank, if I do this video finish tomorrow morning, I go delete it. I don't mention your name for this platform. Who blogger will go carry me, they carry on, they want carry on. I feel they finish, I get delete on. Frank, Victor, now when you take up guys name. If I find your trouble for money, I find her for evening. You not vote me, I don't answer the name. I only want to, I think say you be better person, you be better picking. After 3 days, you start to misbehave, you start to drop body for your body. You say me go to discuss with Okpaika. When I go discuss with Okpaika, as I say sorry, I not say sorry to Rana, I curse and Suzu way, devil go punish for money, devil go punish her for evening. So you come, video, audio, when me send for you. I not send you, me you come plan for outside. I plan for you as a friend. We will not be friends again. We will not feel be friends again. You can't say now your math sharp ass. Your math feel the sharp from today go. I'm not going to answer you again. Your math feel the sharp from today go. I'm not going to answer you again. So from Victor, when you take Umenwa and say now your name. All those women when they push you so. When they say they work, they rework. Women, they push you. You say they work, they rework. As you say woman, you say woman, they push you. Woman, they control you. When you say they work, they rework. That woman, they go push you at her grave. That woman, they go push you at her grave. So, Frank Umenwa and Victor. You hope you need to look me now. People go see this video before I delete them. They say na sweet leaf, now they key goat. I don't see and plug. Now I plug this one. I can't entertain you. I can't give you cost for your house. Me carry the go. You they talk. You know they talk. You they train man go to give my picking. You say they advise your papa, you they advise your mama. From Victor, as I do this video today, I know they can't answer you again. You know why you go cry this? If I find your trouble, it go good for you for money. It go good for you for evening. As you share for your platform, you say, "Na me go give Monica problem." Say any agitator put. I not tell Monica. When Monica call me, when he call me, when he call me, when I send video, now he call me. I explain to him, I go do live video. As he do the live video, person call me after 2 hours. You dey judge your own that day. You don't know how something happen because of small clock where they buy for you. Because of spaghetti where they cook for you. You can't say and me, you want to talk to. If I find your trouble, we go for you. If I don't find your trouble, you know, before I do election, I was not aware. I did for SARS when they do video where they come tell me say calculation. I don't know what they take on me. Daybreak, I watch the video, me with you talk. My tension say, na better work you come for. After 3 days, when I see we wait take commands, you curse everybody. And from there, I can't drop body. If I want to send voice, now voice record I send for you. Because when I see your movement, I don't know say they manipulate you. I'm not going to call you, me not for record me. Because me not the record person. If you feel pre-video, when me can send you message, you can't bring out of the world, you are a recorder. I'm telling the world today. All the whole world should be careful in your body. If you feel pre-video, I not say any bad thing. I not say they go keep person for video when me to talk. I they tell the whole world to that they stand. Now me be Prophet Atiti, the new generation. The native daughter will not the key fowl, will not the key goat. You say if I they use wood. Before this word when you talk, so I tell you say, man we married the woman we born for me. I tell you say family call me before then. I they take on the pride say if I do something under 3 years, 4 years, 5 years for a cost person go start to happen. If I do something for person, now yeah, 1 year and 8 months. As I they repeat as when I call this live video, that's why they repeat her. After 3 years, Peking, where the man say no greet me, I don't want to mention the name, the man name for year, I don't want to mention the woman name for year. Peking where they say no, they don't greet me, they start to greet me. You know, since you're waiting to for your live video, you are a failure. The woman where don't born for man before me cry, come out. He don't born for another man before me cry, come out. Now you tell me, say, if I be native daughter enough, I for take and carry the woman come. No. I come and cry to the world, if the world they listen to me. The man saying a timber, caliber. Now me tell her, say, timber, me don't cut her for bush. Caliber, me don't carry this benin. Wood will be carried from bush, this benin, you know, they fear me. Not be as they talk, it be my pikin does have to greet me. The first video when the family of the man take call me for inside December, I plan to the world listening. Many people call me say, what you do, Dorish? My pikin don't they call me, I see tell you say, if you miss one team, what else do you need? Unayama, $1 you are a coward, you are a wayward somebody. You are the most wayward somebody that know how to read, don't have sense. You are calling yourself a man. You must work. You must work. Do you think that I'm a don? I'm a dondi? Who will we dondi make here? Oh, what you sound? You say it before Musa. Call your family now. Call your family. You are too small. All those lies, where all those Toto way don't condemn. Like Suzy way take bleach a quick up. That one way Toto this man. Woman way don't condemn. You come out. You say now so you the tough. Now so you the talk. After I do my video today, I know they can't come answer you again. That's why they behave. Any person when I want do one the thing to do something. You know hard, not to repair I hard. Me, new generation they stand today. Even though man and woman can't cry meet me. As I do away no hard. If I you know go let me return all the days of your life. I don't feel return and I mean go cause I don't feel return. I dey tell you today. You say you want to disgrace me. I can't drop my video for you. Before you say me you can't disgrace me, I don't drop my video. Franco Menwan, you are the worst somebody I ever seen in my life. To stand. All of you will come closer to me. All of you will come closer to me. Now the one wey me find see by myself, now I be friend. All the old women, all of them are fail. You are the manipulate man now. I don't feel to wait to do not trouble. Is it compulsory your friend if I follow other friend they work out? I don't feel follow. I can get with friends, I can follow you work out, follow that friend work out. So far I know as I tell you talk. Anybody can be your friend. What is the problem? I don't understand. So Frank, I don't find you, now you find me. All the old insult when you give your papa, give your mama, give your family. I dey tell you say Europe don't tire you. As Europe tire you, now as you dey go. If you don't fit chop this leaf for here, you go chop her for us. Ebe no gbe Frank. When he tire up na ye. Frank, uma wa ifito. Uma poru no subo we. Ipe video go where when we had this why Suzy because we dance Suzy. Damn Monica Atuareki. They are in this Facebook for 4 years. When I have who you what door, and I before it matter. Before the woman will born for me, before it matter happen, when they look all of them. Nothing when they not teach our women. They teach our women wayward life. They condemn their life. Many they cry today. He come. Monica come, say na me want to learn. He talk for matter. As he talk for matter, I call put for the call. Many people witness am. I say if the woman come, I send message that the woman come, more come live video. The woman come, you know, come live video. After 1 month, Monica come out. He come cause the papa, cause the pikin, cause the family. I leave message down for Monica that very day when I leave my call. When I end my call, I say if they come, make sure say we go live video. Not be me call Monica, I explain to her. Monica call me when I send video. When I send video, Monica call me, I explain to her. After 2 hours, we go live video. As people call me say they live video, I call for the show. I want finish show. I tell her say, Yayi say us or they say your way. You don't know what I think I mean. We can't film do. It did be a woman. Now, parable night they make for Benin man or Benin woman. You gonna know what they take on me. As the woman come, the woman, he record the woman, he send her for me. Not be this message I leave down. He come out, he call cause his papa, call cause his pikin, cause his mama. You come out now, you call the judge rubbish. You call the judge rubbish because of the clothes where they buy for you. When do you want to disgrace me? Come talk and woman don't leave me. You remember say, sister, when I don't do this live video, none of my woman will born for me. Brother or sister come and write something for my platform say, I don't feel trade picking. I don't feel trade picking. No one don't come out. Woman don't leave me. Woman still don't leave you. So now they tell you, say, all the old world will talk for your live video. The old world will say, you are a 419, you are a thief. Tiffy, Janko Rico. Now you be. You are not a man enough. I speak today to the world. You are not a man enough. You are a man enough. Woman cannot control you. Even though me they marry today, my wife do stupid thing. I mean, you don't know me. That woman wait born for me. When I dey talk to her, I know here. When I change, it pickles. So woman cannot use me as woman they use you, Frank. You are a little boy, you are a kid. You don't know how to write and read. And you brag your mouth. You brag your mouth. You are too small. So I don't feel answer you today now. One come they answer you again. They say if they don't beat small pikin, they go leave and make they cry, they go. Frank, Owahowe, why are you be? Frank, Umenwa. Frank, Victor Umenwa. I said, call your name for my platform. I don't curse you. Now so that curse will follow you, they go. Emma will wear. Emma will water. So, here working on my life, but we have any plan, wanna plan for me. Not be saying I come up me since then when I do this, you know, not commit me for my track. I be mad when you go talk something, you go carry and reach. You not commit me for my track. I hear some people they quarter say, I don't not be like this be before. I not come up for my track because of the nuisance. One of the cause for the social media. I don't feel they join you where they commit nuisance. I say me the repair community. No. I don't feel no say people where just spoil Billy land. Since 4 years, you they move with them. You call me your friend. I cannot do that. So, Frank Victor on a short video. I beg, if you be blogger, you want to carry this video. Just they carry on because I delete it. I don't mention a name for my platform. I go delete it. But people wait there here now, they are more than 200. Person go there will be blogger. If not be blogger, if you be another person, if you feel caught and you share it by yourself, you share it. Frank Victor. As I say for money, I say I saw for via wabera wabijua. That disgrace. Go talk amo. So, Frank Victor, Owari, you are going back home. We don't be back there and making we only here. We are in one. Ukeregbe. Ikaka we are yaro passion example platform. Ikaka we are yaro passion example platform. Ukeregbe. Frank Victor Umenwa Ukeregbe. Iwa bono mu ewa owie ohe amu owuta. Iviedu iyan owuwa owe Frank Victor Umenwa no. This course when I course for you not do all on our own. Now Frank Victor Umenwa we say call himself Umenwa. Ask he go see himself. You feel look and say I did for child play with time you go know. You tell me say if I be native daughter, I not come and come cry say me woman come o. I be man dey listen. I not cry come go say woman may come o. The woman don't born for that man. The man say his wife. The man wey marry the wife say he be timber and caliber. Now let me tell her say girl do when me don cost for Nigeria before timber day caliber day. The wood when me don carry reach Benin, he no go help me. He say me no go greet my pikin again. But before now, 1 month ago or 2 weeks ago, I don't tell you say my pikin don dey call me. December, I don't want to play the first record where the family of the man take call me. The first one when they call me, I put her for live video. My papa for us say when I delete, I can't delete her. the voice record wey they call me, e dey with me because now wetin concern, wetin they drag with me. Other body, I cannot record them. I'm not be man when need to talk lie. I can never talk lie in my life. Why shall I profit a man to gain the whole world? I'm not the type of that man. My father tell me to stand on the truth. The truth shall set me free. I always stand on the truth. So Frank Victor, I don't talk to you this. I don't curse you. The curse will follow you for morning. He will follow you for evening. This one I be Frank Victor. This one I be Frank Victor. Imakporu no sugbo ewo wa imakporu no sugbo ewo ta. Mani, I cheer you, I command your spirit to be here now. Like coward. You will be a coward forever. Bad boy, I want to see it. What you belong to, I want to know. Please, I want to beg the whole world. I want to beg the whole world. Any video that concern Frank Victor Umenwa, if you send it for me, I block you. If you send it for me, I block you.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.